What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today, man, this is a new segment on my channel. It's called Last Week in Business with the Wealth Builder. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, we're talking about the last week in business. Okay, we're going to drop this video every Sunday. Okay, and I know it's a little different than, my usual videos about, how to start a certain type of business and stock market and stuff like that. But we're going to try to include all that good stuff along with this new segment, Last Week in Business. So, this is different. So let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. First topic on hand, Amazon. All right. Amazon is actually building their own airport hub. Okay, and if you're an investor in Amazon, or if you work for Amazon or looking to invest in Amazon, this is a good look for you. Or if you sell on Amazon, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you are an e-commerce dealer on Amazon. Again, this is a good look for you because they can actually make more one-day shipments now. So if you purchase something, on Amazon or sell something on Amazon through Prime, they're able to make that delivery faster. So they can actually do the 1 day or 2 day shipments and get things to, their, customers way faster than going through a third party shipper. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be located in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport. And it's called the Prime Air Hub. Price tagged at $1.4 billion. That's billion with a B. Not million, but billion with a B. Okay, and Jeff Bezos was there to break the whole, do the first breaking of the ground and all that good stuff. Hey man, like I said, it's gonna take Amazon to a whole new level, even if that's even possible. You know what I'm saying? But I think this whole Prime Air Hub thing is gonna really escalate the whole 1 day and 2 day shipping thing. You know what I mean? Okay, and with that being said, speaking of Amazon, this guy Warren Buffett, you ever heard of him? The Oracle of Wall Street, one of the richest men in the world, revealed that his company, Berkshire Hathaway, has a $904 million stake in Amazon. That's $904 million stake in Amazon. Okay, and even though it's still relatively small percentage of equity compared to some of the other investments that his company has, let's really think about it. He's put a lot of money into Amazon, and Amazon is exploding. So obviously they stand to make more money. But for real, that is a great investment. And if you want to follow what Warren Buffett does, there's a link in the description. Check out his stocks and how he invests his money and all that good stuff. There's an article in there, link in the description for you. Like I said, man, this video is going to be a lot of different because I'm going to be giving you a lot of things you can go check out and find out more information on what I'm talking about. All right. So in other news, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is buzzing again. Okay, remember back in the day, about 8 months ago or so, or close to a year ago, Bitcoin was the biggest craze. Everybody was buying Bitcoin. Everybody is ready to get into Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Then it just said, it just dropped, blew up, exploded, and went back to like $2,000 worth of coin. And it was like up to like 21,000 a coin for some point. But now it's at $8,000 a coin, okay, which is more than double when it was only worth $3,500 a coin 2 weeks ago at the time of this video. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is bubbling, it's coming back. But there's a thing. Here's the thing, because there's a thing. What thing is the thing? The thing is, I think there's a price gouging going on, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I watched a video from my guy, Graham Stevens. He's a great video of, I can't say a vlogger. He's more like just a basic YouTuber and a real estate agent. Does talk about a lot of things, investing in stocks and stuff. But yeah, he made a video about Bitcoin. He actually explained how it's probably being price gouged right now. You know what I'm saying? Like being increased without really having any value behind it. Go figure. But there's just his opinion and my opinion too. But his opinion made me kind of create my opinion, if that's even worth anything. But go ahead, check the video below. He will definitely explain a little bit more about Bitcoin and what's going on with Bitcoin and how the price gouging is looking. Okay, but yeah, definitely check him out with that video. The link is in the description. All right, now it's time for war. Yep, war. But not seriously, not real war, not actual war, but it's more like a tariff war. Okay, U.S. and China, because of Trump, there's a tariff war going on. But okay, Wall Street can actually breathe a little easier right now because President Trump, I hate even saying President Trump, but anyway, that's another video. Okay, but he plans to delay auto tariffs for another 6 months. So, you know, got a little bit more time to hold on to the auto tariff situation and all the, you know, Fords and GMCs and Dodge and, you know, all these, you know, big auto companies can, you know, breathe a little easier along with Wall Street. Just go breathe, all right? Because things are not going to go crazy just yet, right? So, on to some other news. If you didn't know by now, that Uber actually went public along with Lyft and a few other companies, okay? But what was so spectacular and special about Uber and Lyft and other IPOs like Pinterest and things like that is that the money, the moolah, that ching ching, people have made when they first went public with the company, because they were able to get involved on that first round of investing, and now there's a bunch of people out there that has made a bunch of money. Really, it feels really fast, but actually they put their money in early. That's so when this did happen, they would blow up with that income. You know what I'm talking about? And now there is an app for that, okay? Or should I say, there has been an app for that, and it's called Niche app. Okay, Niche app. Okay, I don't want to tell you too much about that because I don't want to make the video super long, but I do have a video in the description that I made on Niche app, and it'll tell you all about how you can get involved in IPOs before they become IPOs and get that public offering going, so you can, you know, get that big pile of cash when they pop off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and trust me, I go into detailed information on it. I don't really, you know, I don't give you just a basic review, so definitely check it out. It's worth your time. Now, there's some cell phone news. You know what I'm saying? Cell phone. I'm actually recording this video on a cell phone. Shh, I'm talking about it. Nah, for real. Verizon and AT&T have finally figured out this 5G thing, okay? This 5G network thing, okay, which is great, but only for the few cities it's been rolled out in, okay? They pretty much have a loose, you know, rollout of 5G. I guess they're trying to test it and try to get that, you know, make sure that it's working properly before they, you know, put it all the way out there. So yeah, you're probably nowhere near where they have been rolled out in. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to know more about that, though, there is an article in the link, but there is a link below, okay, for the article. You can check it out. Now, basically, when you read the article, basically it could teach you that you can actually invest in this stuff and probably grow your income by investing in AT&T and Verizon. Plus, I believe those type of companies have dividend stocks, if I'm not, if I'm not mistaken. But go check it out. Don't just take my word for it. All right. And for all my Tesla stockholders out there, I have a question for you. Is Tesla having some financial issues? Because Elon Musk sent the email to Tesla employees calling for hardcore control of expenses. All right, he's saying that at this rate, they have like $2 billion that they'll blow through pretty fast if they don't put a hold on their expenses. Okay, so it's kind of looking like some financial issues on the horizon, for Tesla. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? The only person that probably cares is the people that invested into Tesla. I don't hold any stock in Tesla, but you might. So I want to put you onto it. All right. So, anyway, this was the first edition to Last Week in Business with the Wealth Builder. I hope you enjoyed it, man. I hope you got some great insight. Check all the links in the description. I popped off a lot of links in the description for you guys, so definitely check it out. And if you want to learn how I've built a six-figure business all online on complete autopilot, okay, then click the first link below, okay? Check that out, put your information in. It's a free video. You can learn more about how I've created an online business on autopilot. Hands off for the most part. All right, so do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.